Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. In this video, we will talk about the concepts of propositional logic. Here you can see I have imported a file logic.py which contains some Python code to represent propositional formulae and some operation on them. To load the logic.py file, we need to do from logic import star in order to load those operations. The first thing I will do is to set up some proportional variables as p, q and r. I have a function was which takes a list of strings as the names for those propositional variables. So now I have strings p, q and r. If I want to see what p is, it is a proposition. In this way, p, q and r are also proposition. Now I will build a propositional formula named as formula 1 equals to p or q and not p implies that q. Now what is formula 1? It is a proposition and it is built from propositional variables. It's p or q and not p implies q. Now I will see the truth table. So I have the function called print truth table and it will give the result as the truth table of the formula 1. Now I will check whether formula 1 is tautology or not. For this I have formula 1 is tautology. The output is true. So for this formula 1 is tautology. Now we have some more formulas. One of them is formula 2 equals to p and q implies r, and the another one is formula 3 equals to p implies that q implies that r. So now I want to print truth table of formula 2. So for this formula 2 dot print truth table, and we have the truth table of formula 2. Like this way only we can also print truth table of formula 3 dot print truth table, and we have got the truth table of formula 3 also. Now I will check for these formulas for tautology and contingency. For this I have to write formula 2 dot is tautology and it is false, and for formula 3 dot is tautology, it is also false for formula 3. Now we will check contingency of formula 2. So for that formula 2 dot it is contingency, it is true for formula 2, and if we will check for formula 3 dot is contingency, the output is true. Now I may want to know if these two formulas are equivalent to each other. For this I have to write formula 2 equals to formula 3, and that's true because they are logically equivalent. Now I will check whether p and not p is contradiction. For that I have to write p and not p is contradiction dot is contradiction, and we can see the answer is true. So we can also create truth tables of many propositions like P and Q dot print truth table, and we can see the output as the truth table of P and Q. Like this, we can also create truth table of P, P or Q dot print truth table, and we can see the output as the truth table of P or Q. We can also create the truth table for not P dot print truth table, and this is the truth table of not P. Like this, we can also create the truth table of P implies Q dot print truth table, and here is the truth table for P implies Q. Now we will create a truth table for Q implies on P. So for that, P Q dot print truth table, and we will get the truth table of Q implies on P. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching my video.